Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send the view once photos and videos on Instagram. So this will be a perfect way to share disappearing content that cannot be replayed or saved to a chat. So how to do it, you can just first open your Instagram DMs and pick a chat. And now don't click on the photo icon but click on the camera icon in the bottom left, this one. And in here you just need to take a photo or select one from your roll. So let's say I'm going to just take a photo in here like this. And now you can just click on this buttons right here that says allow replay. Click on that, and here choose the view once options like that. And now you can just tap on send, and the photo will become like this. So the other person can only see it once, and they cannot save it or cannot replay the photo or videos. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.